MEPs on Tuesday slammed the US government over reports that the country's security agency had been snooping on EU citizens' information and called for tougher online regulations. The scandal comes after whistleblower Ed Snowden revealed last week that the US authorities had tapped the servers of internet companies for personal data.
The Commission is asking for clear commitments from the United States as to the respect of the fundamental right of EU citizens to data protection and as to access to judicial redress in the same way as it is afforded to United States residents.
This is about the rule of law and about democracy, because both of them are not in line with mass surveillance. They cannot be in line with mass surveillance of citizens, of people all around the world. And so we need to stand up here to say clearly mass surveillance is not what we want to have, and we need strong data protection rules.
According to documents leaked to the media, US officials had access to emails, web chats and other communications from companies like Google, Facebook, Twitter and Skype. The European Parliament called on the EU's Justice Commissioner Viviane Reding to demand clarifications over the scandal as she meets US Attorney General Eric Holder next Thursday in Dublin.
The Commission will raise this matter with United States authorities at the earliest possible opportunity. It will request clarifications as to whether access to personal data within the framework of the PRISM programme is limited to individual cases and based on concrete suspicions, or if it allows bulk transfers of data.
I don't know if you listened to the statement of President Obama when he was addressing the American audience who were worried. He said, don't worry, we're not spying on US citizens, we're only spying on foreigners. Foreigners. So that's us. That's European citizens. So what kind of a special relationship is that? And over the last 12 years, Europe has bent over backwards to be the closest ally of the Americans in the fight against terrorism. We expect the Commission, and with all due respect, I'm grateful you're here, Commissioner Borg, but this is chefsache. This is a matter for political leadership. We need political leadership in Europe to defend the rights of our citizens.
The controversy comes as Europe and the US are about to launch transatlantic trade talks.